Good morning, guys. Please take out your phone or open another window on your computer. Type in joinpd.com. And the code is on the top right-hand corner of the screen. And tell me something good. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your comments. Good morning. We started a new hobby. Wow. Today's February 3rd. Happy birthday to all. Thank you. Tintin and Snowy for 2024. Wow. Tintin and Snowy. You remember the bunnies, the classroom pets? Thank you. Yes, sleep is important for our body. Great job. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for your responses. Please circle how you're feeling, guys. Beautiful. I like your artwork. I like the drawings. Very colorful and nice and beautiful. I have 2 more students needs to respond. I'm going to wait 10 more seconds for them to respond. Oh, I like that little hat. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful drawings. Oh, heart. And we are going to talk about something related with the drawing. We are going to talk about something related with the drawing, guys. Moving on. So today's topic is cardiovascular system. It's chapter 11 from your textbook, from your anatomy and physiology textbook. And its pages are 406 to 445. Please go ahead and respond. What do you wonder about today's topic? What do you wonder? You guys are fast in writing. Very nice, beautiful. There are about, let me see, how many students did not respond yet? There are about only 3 students who did not respond yet. Could you please respond? So I will have 100% participation points. I would appreciate it. I wonder what role does our cardiovascular system play in our body? I also wonder what organs are a part of this system. Beautiful. I'm curious, very nice. I'm curious to learn how the cardiovascular system works. Beautiful. I wonder that maybe we will get to know how oxygen and blood vessels are passed through the heart. Okay, very nice. This is awesome. This is awesome. How the heart and the respiratory system work together to maintain homeostasis. Beautiful. This is the word I was talking about since the beginning of the school year, fall semester 2020. Even though we had a rough year, but this was the word, homeostasis. By any chance, does anyone remember the what does the homeostasis mean? What is it defined? Like, what does it mean, homeostasis? I want a volunteer, please. Please, guys, I need a volunteer. Who can define homeostasis? No volunteer means I have to call out names.
I'll go, miss.
Okay, thank you.
Right. I think that isn't it homeostasis? I'm maintaining your body at a certain temperature.
Very good. Perfect. Maintaining a certain temperature, maintaining a certain blood pressure, maintaining pH, it's maintaining a stable internal environment. That is the meaning of the word homeostasis. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ricardo. I appreciate it. I wonder how the heart works with other organs. Not sure really. That's okay. That's okay. That's why we are going to talk about this topic today. Why is heart important? Very nice. Beautiful. Okay. And then this question also says that how does the heart and the respiratory system work together? Yes. Remember, just one system, cardiovascular system alone cannot maintain homeostasis. As I mentioned earlier, many times, it needs all the systems to work together to maintain homeostasis. Beautiful. I need a volunteer, please, who could read this. Students will be able to, the objective. I need another volunteer. Okay, go ahead, please. Thank you.
Students will be able to identify the key structures of the circulatory system and explore the functions of the circulatory system.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Another volunteer, please. Just read the main
Read.
idea. Yes.
Main idea of the heart role is pumping blood to the lungs and to all the parts of the body.
Thank you. So as you can remember, we just finished respiratory system, which dealt about lungs. There was a main emphasis on the lungs and how does the lungs work. And now we are talking about cardiovascular system. So now you know how the cardiovascular system and the respiratory system work together. I need another volunteer, a girl, please. Thank you. If you please kindly read this slide, overarching enduring understandings.
Blood serves as a vehicle for distributing body heat, nutrients, respiratory gases, and other substances throughout the body. The heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels. The heart is a pump that circulates the blood through the body.
Thank you so much, Alida. I appreciate it. And thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Ricardo. And thank you, the rest of the class, for attending the Zoom session and paying attention. I appreciate it. So you can see that the heart is like a pump. Like, you know, we have water pumps, we have fountains, we have pumps for the fountains to pump the water. So same way, similarly, our heart is also like a pumping system, like a pump. It pumps the blood, which helps to circulate the blood throughout our body. I'm just going to summarize the next generation science standards. HS stands for high school. So this is one of the standards to find evidence to illustrate the relationships between the systems, components of the systems of our body. For example, I would just read this sentence. Example of interacting system could be an artery, depending on the proper function of elastic tissue and smooth muscle to regulate and deliver the proper amount of blood within the circulatory system. It's one of the standard. The other standard is to conduct an investigation to provide evidence that feedback mechanism maintain homeostasis. We already talked about homeostasis. You guys have defined it beautiful. The feedback mechanisms, I hope you guys remember, we talked about negative feedback mechanism and positive feedback mechanism. Negative feedback, just a little refresher. If the blood pressure is too high, our body automatically tries to bring it down to the level. If the blood pressure goes down, then our body automatically adjusts itself to bring it to the right level. Same thing with temperature. Our body temperature maintains within a range. It cannot go above or below. So that is basically maintaining homeostasis through the feedback system mechanism. Could somebody read the warm-up, please? A volunteer, please.
I'll read it, Miss. Explain 3 ways how the circulatory system is like a transportation system: trucks, buses, and cars.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please go ahead and write down the answer in the Pear deck. Wow, beautiful. The numbers are 18 not 14 not respond is decreasing so fast. It's awesome to see how The moment you guys start responding, I see the numbers going down. Now 12 did not respond yet. I don't want to call out the names. Please go ahead and respond. So I will have 100% participation. There 9 students did not respond yet. Okay, 8. It diminished to 8. Thank you. I'll start sharing the responses. You guys continue writing. There are 6 people who still has to respond. Go ahead and respond, please. I want 100% participation, guys, please. Beautiful. The circulatory system is like a highway. Wow, very nice, very nice. Because it transports things like nutrients, gases, and waste. There are large veins and arteries that are like major roads on highways. Very nice. Okay. The circulatory system is like a transportation system because it helps move fluids around the body, just like cars have pipes to circulate oil, gas, and other liquids necessary for the car to function. Wow. Beautiful answers, beautiful analogies. Beautiful. If people were oxygen, nutrients, and waste, and the vehicles were blood cells, the blood cells serve to get their people to their job. Oh, wow. I like this. This is beautiful analogy. Beautiful analogy. If people were oxygen, nutrients, and waste, and the vehicles were the blood cells serve to get the people to the job. Very nice, which means, to summarize it, the blood helps to transport oxygen, nutrients, and the waste. Thank you. The circulatory system can be thought of as a vehicle system that runs throughout the body. Circulatory system is analogous to a vehicle system, just as highway system transport people and goods through a complex network. The circulatory system transport nutrients, gases, and waste throughout the human body. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful.
Miss, why did I get randomly removed?
Because you don't have a consent